Hi, I'm Bob Miller and I'm the Chief Productions Officer here at Luxfurni. We work with our heart and soul because we believe all jewelry cabinets are not the same. Our quality assurance officers are involved and focused on the research and grading of supply materials. Our goal is to create products that are sustainable and can withstand the test of time. Our craftsmen and designers help set the tone and create the company's time-honored tradition of woodworking without sacrificing modern manufacturing methods. Our workshop is a state-of-the-art facility. We invested heavily in our layout and plant machinery. This allows us to fully customize our tooling setup that carries out our design creativity without limitations. Here at Luxfurni Studios, our goal is to empower women by designing and creating jewelry cabinets and makeup mirrors that make them feel special because they deserve it.